Hi everyone, just want to give you an update on our large frame electric conversion kits. So this is it in two large frames. These are both Vespa large frames, and one is from 1958. This is a 152L2. It's a little 8-inch wheel version. Now the body, chassis, shape and style and sizing is for our large frame swing arm. So our large frame kit fits in this. The difference with this one and say this later model of large frame is that this is an 8-inch wheel version. Now what we do there is we put on the rear hub motor, the electric motor has a 300 by 10 tire, which is the same diameter as the front wheel we have put on here, which is an 8-inch wheel tire, but it's 400 by 8. So that balances out the size here. It like effectively brings it up to be a 9-inch wheel, and as you can see, it's in original paint. This is the original patina paint. It's very nice to see that in its original condition. What we've just done is slot in our kit and put a large frame battery, a large battery on the right hand side under the engine here. So that is an electric conversion just to run around as is. This is also a large frame electric conversion kit. Same sort of hub motor, same swinging arm, same battery tray, same everything throughout. The same, again, dimensions of the bodywork that this little bike had. So Vespa was great in that it didn't really change the mounting status of the suspension and the engine block throughout that era from 1958 through to like the last of the Vespas was 2018. This is a customer's bike that has been restored at our shop. So he's elected for it to be restored and converted to electric while we were doing the restoration. So that totally restored, looks all original throughout. Got all the original sort of T5 Classic trim on it throughout. Then we've done our electric conversion, and he's asked for one large battery, which is in underneath this right-hand side panel. So anything goes with the conversions, restoration, not restored, and easily to slot into any of the setups you see here.